Koe lotu whakaaho ki ha whakaloto lahi mo ha whakatua melie me he wholofola. Ka veinga, whanau I who potu wholofola, sione vahe tolu ves tolu, pea tali e sisu o ne wholofola kia te ia. Ko awe o ko talatu, I longa aia e ikai whanau I who me olunga, e ikai tene lava ke mamata ki he pule anga o e otua. Emeni, ke tau lotu. Otua mafi, whawhetai e kua osia ai aho uruaki ai mahina ko siulai. Whawhetai ko e alo ofa ai a Fiona, he oku kei haupe mo malu hoku ki I whamili, o I kai hatangi pe ko hamamahi, ka ko e hiva pe o e whakawhetai, ko e uhi, ko e ofa hulu whau ai a Fiona. Mahina whaoni ko whakaamuai ke whai he a Fiona hoku whakawhoou, hoku whanau I whoou, ke uhoko o whoou mo whakapapau I ai pe e kutui ta e tau veiveiua ki hoku eiki. I ho wa whape si sukalaisi ko koe hoku whakamoui. Emeni. Happy New Month to you all, and thank you for always tuning in to our daily prayer of hope and encouragement from the Bible. May the month of July provide love and blessings from God, and may we use our time wisely to glorify God. Pray every opportunity you get, and may the Holy Spirit guide and protect you from wherever you are. Don't forget to subscribe for daily prayers of hope and encouragement from the Bible. Thank you, and God bless.